Good day, my people. Welcome to today's video, which is learning Python with data science day 10. So we're basically going to be talking about a database that we're going to be using, as data analytics or data science. We need a database that we're going to be working on, and the best one I basically use is MySQL, and MySQL is what I've been using for almost 1 year now in my analytics and everything, in storing database, data manipulation. I'm going to basically show you how to install it in your PC, how to get everything ready. The first place we're going to go to is MySQL. So we say MySQL. The first website you see, you click on this first one. So when the site is fully loaded up, you'll click on this downloads area. You're going to go straight to where you see MySQL Community CPL. Click on the downloads. Then you're going to come straight to MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, so when you click on MySQL installer Windows, so let's install this one. So you click on download over here. Then it's going to bring you here if you want to log in with your SQL. Do you understand? You want to sign up. But if you don't want to do that, you just come here and say no thanks, just start my download. So it's going to start downloading the SQL. So when it's done downloading, I will get back to the video on how to install it. You're going to see your SQL, you double click on it, then it's going to open up the installer. So in this video, all I'm just doing is showing you how to install MySQL to your PC, and it's going to open up this part, then start installing. So it may take a little bit time. It's going to open this interface for you. It's going to open it like this. What I want you to do is click on full, click on next. As soon as you click on execute, to start installing some of this workbench and servers and other stuff that comes with the SQL. Okay, so click on execute. Then you can see this right up. So when it's done installing, you're going to see like a green check over here. So let's see. So you can see this other place is checked green. That means it's done installing this particular one. It's going to the next one, which is my SQL workbench. So as you can see, it's done downloading. So until you see all these things are checked, it's done executing all the necessary packages that comes with my SQL, right? So click on next, click on next. So you're going to leave everything, you're not going to touch anything here. To know more about them, just go to MySQL installer and they'll show you all these configurations and how they work and how the process. But in this video, I'm going to just show you how to install it in your computer. So after that, just click on next. One thing you should always keep in mind is that you will be required to enter a password. That means you have to create a password at the end of the day. So we have to create a password here right now. So just create a password that you can remember because it's going to be required later. I'm going to put a password, then I'm going to come down there, put also a password as well. Then after that, it says it's weak, I don't care, it's the password I can remember. Then I click next, click next. Save our permissions, yes, grant for access running Windows. Yeah, you click next, so click and execute. So you can see it's checking. So I think this one is a little bit faster. So you see all checked. So we're going to skip the video a little bit to save time. Okay, so it's finished. Right, so all you just have to do after this last part is done, just click on finish, then click next, then finished, next. Then it's going to ask you for you to enter your password. Then you click on check, let them confirm it, then it's a connection succeeded. So click next, then execute a little bit again. So you just click on it, executes, and it runs the script and we're done, right? Okay, so it's done installing, and we click on finished, next as well, finished. I think it's done. So it's going to open some blank stuff like that. It's going to open the workbench as well. So just exit from it, exit from this one as well.